Got right there in the box, brand new. Just got it in yesterday. Ride the Rage from NRC is a Yamaha Fender eliminator. I'm gonna be putting on my 2020 R1. Just wanted to pop this box open. Even though I can't stand the unboxing video, it's not really unboxing. Just gonna pop it open so you can see exactly what comes in the box. I guess that's decent packaging. The eliminator right there. It's going to bolt on where your tag goes on. LEDs. And this is all quick connect, no cutting, splicing. It's supposed to go right on the bike. Mountain hardware right there. I haven't seen one in person, but in pictures it looks pretty slick, so I went ahead and got it. It's probably the best looking one I found out there. Now the interesting thing about this Fender eliminator is that, you know, it's all integrated. Your turn signals, and on some bikes like the BMW, it's going to have your brake light and everything in it. But this for the Yamaha is going to have both turn signals in there, and they're LED. It's supposed to be some CNC machine plastic. But like I said, it does look really nice. I like the way this is going to look. So I'm going to go ahead and get it put on the bike for you. Okay, just trying to finish up this video here today about the Fender Eliminator from New Rage Cycles. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bike on the paddock stand, get a little bit better look at it. Just wanted to come back. I had some technical difficulties trying to do this video earlier. One of my cameras crapped out. Unfortunately, I didn't get all the footage I wanted of the install, so I'm just gonna make do with what I got. Hopefully it came out okay and you guys like the content. I'm gonna put it up on the stand and give you a good little walk around, get some close-ups on it. One thing about these new bikes, you got an ABS sensor right there. You gotta be really careful about putting it up on the stand, not to pinch that sensor. I really like this angle here. Zoom on in there. Key on. That is a very good look. It's been a few days. I've rode the bike. Pretty happy with the quality. Turn signals work flawless, just like they did from the factory. Only it looks way better. Way better. The plate has decent visibility. Hopefully you can tell. You even got visibility from the front. Good angle like this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lights out while we get it flashing. Do a quick little walk around and let you get a look at it. There we are, total darkness. It's lighting up the shop here pretty good. I really love the way this R1 looks. Tail lights casting good light there on the plate. Hey, if y'all got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll answer what I know about this New Rage Cycles. Seems to be pretty good. Like and subscribe.